This is one of my newest listings in the Maple Ridge subdivision. It's located at 4742 Wingfoot Way in Northeast Columbus, Muskogee County, near Fort Benning, I-185 and J. Allen Parkway. All brick, 4-bedroom, 3 full bath. This is the foyer. View of the family room and the sunroom, and behind the sunroom is a screened-in porch. Another view of the foyer, the arched ceilings, wood-burning fireplace. Another view of the sunroom and the screened-in porch. Formal dining room, arched windows, hardwood floors, cathedral arch in the kitchen, crown molding, gas fireplace, cooktop, plenty of cabinets, granite countertop, tile backsplash, tile floor. Great neighborhood, good shopping. Get to Fort Benning in about 18 to 22 minutes. Get almost anywhere in Columbus in 25 minutes. Exhaust hood. This is the dinette area in the kitchen. It overlooks the family room. This is the master bedroom, the right rear of the house. That color is called Whiskers. It's a PPG popular color. We just painted the inside of the house. 5-foot soaker jacuzzi tub, opaque glass. The mirror we've got to rehang. We just painted it the other day, the walls. Private toilet area. Walk-in closet. This is bedroom number 2. This is the guest bathroom. It's actually a Jack and Jill bathroom between the 2 bedrooms, the second and third bedroom. Bedroom number 3. Guest bathroom in the hallway. This is bedroom number 4 on the front of the house with hardwood floors. 2-inch faux blinds, laundry room, plenty of covered space. Screened in back porch overlooking the 17th green of Maple Ridge Golf Course. Back view of the property. Outside has just been repainted as well. The 2 air conditioners are about 3 years old. Has a nice deck on the back, very private lot. Another front view of the property. Aerial view from our drone. That's the 17th green. A view of the driving range, the clubhouse, the putting green. We're going to pan around to the left, going over the one of the many community swimming pools. HOA at this neighborhood is $550 a year currently. Here we go. Got to make a little swoop down. 2 tennis courts here. That's my RE/MAX vehicle on the right, the RE/MAX Executive Group. People see it all over town. One of the many swimming pools in the neighborhood. Again, great northeast location near Columbus, Fort Benning. If you'd like to see this property, you can call Paul Tommey at 762-822-6411 or call my office at 706-507-1899. This property is located at 4742 Wingfoot Way in the Northeast Columbus in the Maple Ridge subdivision. It's probably about 20-25 minutes to the front gate of Fort Benning. You can get on the bypass and go to Atlanta with just maybe 1 red light. So it's easily located in the Northeast Columbus, good shopping and all that kind of thing as well.